Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 10th, 2025, and we're diving into BKV's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BKV has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. BKV reported total revenues of $277.9 million for Q3 2025. How does this compare to their net income and adjusted figures?
Well, BKV's net income for the quarter was $76.9 million, translating to 90 cents per diluted share. However, when we look at the adjusted figures, which excludes certain non-cash items, the adjusted net income stands at $42.5 million, or 50 cents per diluted share. This adjusted EPS is significantly higher than the forecasted 13s, indicating a strong performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, BKV has shown some impressive operational efficiencies this quarter. Can you elaborate on their production and future outlook?
Absolutely. BKV's net production was 828.5 D, and their power JV generated 2,246 gigawatt-hours. They've also made strides in carbon sequestration with the Barnett Zero project, capturing approximately 43,900 metric tons of CO2. Looking ahead, BKV's net leverage ratio of 1.32x positions them well for future growth, especially with their strategic acquisitions and focus on expanding their power platform.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. BKV has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us more about their recent acquisitions and financial maneuvers?
Sure. BKV closed the acquisition of Bedrock Energy Partners' Barnett Shale assets, which adds significant production capacity. They also executed a $500 million senior notes offering at 7.5%, which was well received by the market. Additionally, BKV is increasing its ownership in the Power JV to 75%, which will enhance their control and support further growth in their power business.
CFO insights. What insights did BKV's leadership provide regarding their strategy and financial health?
CEO Chris Kalnin emphasized their progress in advancing a closed-loop energy strategy, highlighting the strategic acquisitions and their impact on BKV's growth. CFO David Tameron noted the strong investor demand for their bond offering, which underscores confidence in BKV's strategy and execution. Both leaders are optimistic about the company's future prospects.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts had predicted an EPS of 13 cents. How did BKV perform in this regard?
BKV significantly outperformed the forecasted EPS of 13 cents, reporting an adjusted EPS of 50 cents. This is a substantial beat, reflecting the company's strong operational performance and effective cost management. With only one analyst providing the forecast, this result highlights BKV's ability to exceed expectations.
Key takeaways. In summary, BKV has delivered a robust performance in Q3 2025 with strong revenue, significant EPS beat, and strategic acquisitions. John, any final thoughts on BKV's investment prospects?
BKV is well positioned for future growth thanks to their strategic initiatives and strong financial performance. Investors should keep an eye on their power platform expansion and carbon capture projects, which could drive long-term value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BKV's performance in the comments below.